Okay, welcome everybody to the November 2020 NPR discussion. If there's any questions, as usual, let me know. We're going to, there's not a lot to cover in this NPR. Here's an overview of what the different items is that we'll be talking about. First item on the list is a new gasket set for ISX-15. This set is for the ISX-15 EPA 2017 engines using the CM2350 control module. This set is a little bit different than the current common rail set. There's a couple other additional O-rings, different exhaust pipe gasket for the EGR system, but we did assemble that kit and it is available in stock now. As a close-up of the different kits, there's different seals, injector seals in there. There's the ECM module gasket. Also for actually this is for QSX-15. We have a new piston kit, part number 5473087. This is for QSX-15 engines, common rail, CM2250, CM2350. And what makes this piston kit unique is the piston pin on these is DLC coated. So you can see that it looks like a conventional ISX piston here, but the piston pin has the DLC coating on the OD of it. So it's dimensionally the same as the current pin. It's got a very slight, very hard DLC coating on it for wear. So again, this fits the QSX, CM2250 and CM2350 applications. We're going to be developing an in-frame kit for those. Cummins doesn't have an in-frame kit for it yet, but we will be developing one shortly. Also for Cummins, we have a new QSM11 in-frame kit available. This kit includes the typical in-frame items, the pistons, cylinder kits, gaskets, bearings, whatnot. And this is unique to an M11 application, Euro 3. So this is an industrial engine, or I think Komatsu might use this engine series in some of their different construction equipment. So the cylinder kit is a 402 4941. The in-frame kit is an MCIF 402 4941. There's a close-up of the piston. You can see it's a typical M11 piston, aluminum skirt, forged steel crown. There's an M11 oil cooler gasket set. This is to remove and install an M11 oil cooler. Lastly, we have a couple of new sensors, the 361 3547 and 492 1597. The 492 1597 is a position sensor, and the 361 3547, I believe, is a temperature sensor. So there's some pictures of those sensors right there.